when you have an engaged, when you have a society which is aware of its rights and is engaged in the defense of its rights, it means that people are less prepared to accept injustice
Okay,
because the law is
absolutely.
there to accept them, and that's part of the work you're doing at the chambers. So how do you think, how has your work in chambers kind of fed into the book, and the book fed into your work in chambers?
I think there's a lot of crossover actually, and I think that's because when you boil everything down, it's about the little person against the all powerful.
Right.
And I think inquests are always, in fact, inquests are the probe work I do, but in inquests you often have. It actually sounds kind of, it's such a strange thought actually, but it's the reality. You have often just a family going up against a state institution to try and find out how their loved one died in the care of that state institution. So I mean, if you just imagine that, and the fact that the state institution, through taxpayer money, will probably have, some very experienced lawyers fighting their case, and you as a family are just there independently trying to find answers as to how your loved one came to their death. It is, I can think of few examples of just a gross power imbalance.